Guys, I checked my channel and realized I'd earned just $6.31. Guys, I nearly ran mad. Now, considering that the fact that they put in so much effort into this platform. Now, this money was actually earned over a space of few months. Okay. Now, when I saw this, I knew this was not what I wanted to earn. I needed a platform that could actually make me really good money from my effort, and this made me search out other realistic ways to make money. Now in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 very good ways you can make money from your efforts online, so you want to stay tuned. Yeah, I'm about to fade Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I bring you tips and ideas to boost your income both online and offline. Guys, if this is your first time here, consider subscribing as I regularly drop financial tips, money tips that will improve your income whether you work online or offline. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 realistic ways to make money. Okay, now guys, we know that there are a lot of ways you can earn money, okay, genuinely, legally. However, most of these money you will earn are, the effort will really not be worth your time, and the money you will earn over a long period of time, and considering the fact that you're going to be putting a lot of effort into this platform, will not be worth your while. However, there are a few other platforms that you can actually put in a little effort and you will earn a lot more. Okay, now another good thing about this platform is that a lot of them are actually passive income streams, and the beauty about passive income streams, why I love them so much, is that you can actually earn money consistently from these platforms even when you stop working. Now I remember in the whole of 2015 I was pregnant and I needed to stop working. Actually, I stopped working for almost a year. Okay, now even though I wasn't really doing anything, I got a check, every single month of 2015. Now this was not really a check, but it was more like monies I earned deposited into my Payoneer account at this time, and I could withdraw it and still maintain my lifestyle. Now guys, this actually now taught me to open other streams of passive income, and it has actually secured me to a large extent financially. Now but guys, the very first realistic way to make money online is by writing. Now, writing and publishing ebook from Amazon KDP is one of the best things you can do for yourself if you really want to start making money online. Okay. Now, the beauty about Amazon KDP publishing is that there is no limit to how much you can earn. This is actually my favorite way to make money online. Now, KDP publishing is one platform where you can publish on just about any topic. Okay. However, there are some topics that sell more than others because these are actually topics people are searching a lot more about. But if you are just starting out, I will encourage you to just write on things you know. Get started writing your very first book, publish it onto the platform, get a good ebook cover, and then you are good to go. Now I have a video that will walk you through other things you would need as well to make your book publishing on Amazon KDP a success. Now these are tools that will help you: keyword research tools, category research tools, or just things that you would be needing to ace your publishing journey. Okay, so guys, just get started, write your very first book, publish it onto the platform, and then you would be on your way. You would actually have started your journey towards creating passive income for life. Now guys, the second way to earn realistic money, to make money realistically, is by operating a YouTube channel. Now YouTube is a platform where you can make videos on just about anything. Okay, however, although there are some things that actually censored, but really to a large extent almost anything goes. And then I have about 3 YouTube channels, with one being monetized, and I'm working towards getting the others monetized. Now there's this thing about waking up every day and checking your different channels to see that you have earned money, and to see how much you have earned. And that's really the very first thing I do every morning when I wake up. Check my KDP platform to see how much I earned overnight. Check my YouTube dashboard to see how much I made from my videos, okay? And then check other platforms I have as well. So you want to get started creating a YouTube channel, which is really super easy. Create your YouTube channel, get started promoting a video on a niche you like. Now I have my channels on different niches. This right here is a finance niche which is not yet monetized. However, even with a channel that's not monetized, you can make money from your video. Okay, and I've actually made a little money from this video through affiliate marketing. You can reach out to brands to sponsor your video. You can charge personal advert space on your video. There are so many ways you can make money from your YouTube channel, even if it is not monetized. And when it does finally get monetized, you have an additional stream of income by earning from adverts placed on your video. So that is the second way you want to look into as well. And that brings us to the third way to make a lot of money online, and this is via affiliate marketing. Now there's no limit to how much you can earn as an affiliate marketer. Now personally, this stream doesn't seem to be doing so well for me. I don't think I've made more than 3 sales so far, probably because I'm actually concentrating a lot more on other revenue making platforms. However, I have friends who are really I have friends who are actually acing it in this field. Friends who make well over $2,000, $3,000 dollars every month. So this is one avenue you want to check out as well. There are so many platforms you could check out, so many affiliate marketing platforms you could join. With the king of them all being an Amazon affiliate. Now, why I recommend Amazon to any affiliate marketer starting out is that Amazon is, besides being the most popular affiliate marketing platform, it also has the highest conversion rate. Now, you stand the chance of getting your sales a lot faster when you join Amazon because it is really known worldwide. Okay, although the downside to using this platform is that their commission rates are really quite small when compared to others. If you're starting out, this is one platform you can start with and then add others as you go along. Now, another means to make money online is via Fiverr. Now, I have worked on Fiverr before and have seen just how much you can make from the platform. You can make a lot of money. Now, Fiverr may actually tell you that gigs go for $5, but if you open up the Fiverr platform and search out a gig, you'll see that there are a few terms that go with Fiverr. You have the Fiverr Extra gig, where you offer a few extra perks, aside the regular Fiverr gig, and you charge a lot more. Now, there are people who make well over $1,000 per gig. It just depends on what you have to offer and how much you can sell yourself. Now, this is also one more platform where you can actually set a target for yourself, and you can strive towards making as much as you want every single month. Now, guys, a platform similar to Fiverr is the Upwork platform, where you sell your services. It's more like a really large marketplace where buyers come to meet sellers, and then strike a written agreement, and the contract is struck. Now, when you deliver on give the services, so to speak, you get paid. So guys, this is another very effective way to make money as well. Now again, there are people on Fiverr, there are workers making well over $3,000, $5,000 every month just by offering simple services on Upwork and Fiverr. Now there are so many services you can offer here. If you love to write, then you could look into writing, or if you are good at designing, then you can design. You could design thumbnails for people. You could offer to design Pinterest images, pins. Now you could offer to design ebook covers, just about anything. And these are actually gigs that don't really require much of your time, and you can charge a lot more for. So this is something you want to look into. Now guys, the sixth and the final realistic way to make money online is via dropshipping. Dropshipping is a very simple term. If you are just hearing it for the very first time, then it has to do with you being a middleman. Now, what it entails is you linking an interested buyer to an existing seller or manufacturer, okay, and then you earn a commission for your job, for your services, okay. Now, let's say you have someone who needs a graphic designer, okay, and he really doesn't want to go on known marketplaces. And then someone who is actually a very good graphic designer. Now you connect both together, and for that you earn a really good commission. Now there are so many dropshipping platforms out there, each with their own commission rates. So you want to check them out, know their rate, so you know which to go for. So guys, these are the 6 ways to make money realistically online. Good money that you can actually live on. Okay, now a quick recap: the 6 ways to make money online. The very first one is by writing and publishing ebooks on the Amazon KDP platform, And then you have publishing YouTube channel, operating a YouTube channel just about any niche, the finance niche, which is just about the best and the most lucrative niche on YouTube. So you could have CPM on the finance niche going as high as $70 to $22. Then you have Upwork, you have the Fiverr platform, you have affiliate marketing, and finally you have dropshipping. So guys, I hope you'll be able to get a thing or two from this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section, if you've ever tried any of these ways to make money and how they worked for you. Now if you'd also more ways to make money online, real money online, drop a comment in the comment section letting me know what you think. And guys, you guys also support this channel by liking this video, share it to your friends, subscribe to the channel once again, turn on your notification icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.